Hello my people and welcome back to my channel. If you are stepping in for the first time, my name is Iyobusa Uwa and I'm a lifestyle vlogger. I cook, I do market scene, just good stuff. I hope you would enjoy. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know how we do it. In here, you're not just a subscriber, we are family. I start wasting much of your time. Today, I'll be showing you how I make my bean and corn, which is Adalu. Guys, this is one recipe I love and I would love to show you as well, and I hope you learn and be entertained. Introduce you to the ingredients that we're going to be making use of today. First of which is the start of the dish, we have our beans, our brown beans. Watch my other vlog of a casual day in my life. I think I'll put the link down below. You see me struggling to buy these brown beans. Over here in Dubai, you only get this in an African shop, not on a regular supermarket or grocery. It must be an African shop. So these beans you're seeing now is 1,000 naira in Nigeria. This is just 1 cup and they haven't picked it yet. So just imagine when I pick the dirt out, to be left with this. But it is what it is. Since they're expensive now, I'll be making use of my brown beans, onion. There's no beans. See, quote and unquote, there is no beans without onions. I'm serious. Sweet corn, I'll be making use of a small cup. I also showed you in that my casual day vlog. Tomato blend. This is just tomato and a little fresh pepper. We have our seasoning cube. I'm just going to use this too. Our ground pepper. We have our ground crayfish. I hope you can see. Salt to taste. Then last but not the least, we have our palm oil, red palm oil. Guys, let's get straight to business. Check if our base is soft. Okay, it's almost ready, as you can see. So it's time to add our tomato. Our seasoning cubes. Now add our ground crayfish. Our pepper, add our salt, Our beans is ready. We've come to the end of today's episode. Tell me if you like it. Tell me if you're going to try it. And please, if you do, don't forget to send me the piece video and tell me how the taste was. Guys, I absolutely love this one. I'm not gonna lie. It's easy. It is delicious, 100%. Please try it out. Thank you so much for coming. If you've watched up to this moment and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. It's absolutely free. Please join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, guys, you guys don't even know what you mean to me. Thank you for making me do this again, because you guys are the reason why I'm here again today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, be safe. Bye.